Hello students, a very good morning to all of you and a very happy new year all of you. And today we are continuing our chapter patterns. So up to last we have completed up to the question number 3rd in our patterns chapter. Now today we are going further in this chapter. Here our question number 4th is that complete the next block in the same pattern. Here the figure is given to us some and we need to complete these blank box. Okay, that the which shape will come at here on this blank box. Okay, as we had noticed by observing this pattern, we can see that as our first figure, what is given to us, that here that the four leaves are joined together and they all are colored with green. Okay, now in the second block we having one leaf as uncolored and three leaves, and the remaining three leaves are colored. In the third block we having two leaves are uncolored and two leaves are colored. In the fourth block we having three leaves are uncolored and one leaf is colored. Means यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, हमारा जैसे हमारा फर्स्ट जो फिगर है इसके अंदर हमें जो लीव्स दे रखी है, जो स्ट्रक्चर दे रखा है उसमें वो फुली कलर्ड है, ठीक है। एंड देन सेकेंड ब्लॉक के अंदर जो स्ट्रक्चर दे रखा है उसके अंदर जो फर्स्ट ब्लॉक के अंदर जो लीव्स जो 4 पार्ट्स थे उनमें से 1 पार्ट को हमने अनकलर्ड किया एंड द रिमेनिंग 3 पार्ट्स आर कलर्ड. इन द थर्ड ब्लॉक the 2 parts are uncolored and the remaining 2 parts are colored. In the fourth part the 3 parts are uncolored and the remaining 1 part is colored. So in what will become in our fourth part, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, सबसे पहले 1 uncolored हुआ, फिर 2 uncolored हुए, फिर 3 uncolored हुए. अब now all the 4 will be uncolored, correct? So the structure will be like this. Okay, so this structure will be like this. All the 4 will be uncolored. So what will become here now? So now again the process will repeat after this. कौन सा प्रोसेस, यही यहाँ से ये प्रोसेस वापस से रिपीट होगा. So this structure will come at here again and we have the same figure what we having in our starting. So here we will get this figure. Okay, and in this we will get colored all the parts of this figure. Okay, because from this now it will again start its cycle. Okay, so this will be our answer. Now see in this next figure what the pattern we having at here. By observing this pattern we see that in our first block we having a complete closed square box. Okay, we having a complete closed square box. Now in the second figure, in the second box we having that one side of that figure, one side of that square is removed and we having only remaining 3 sides are remained. Okay, now in the third block we having that the 2 sides are remaining and the 2 sides are removed. So we are just removing the sides in an anti-clockwise. Okay, look, here we first removed this side, then we have removed this one side. So we are removing in an anti-clockwise, means we are removing the sides of this box in an anti-clockwise. Okay, we are removing these sides in an anti-clockwise. Okay, we are removing these sides in an anti-clockwise. So first we have removed this side, then we have removed this side. Now which side we will remove? We will remove this side according to our anti-clockwise. So the remaining side will be this. After that it will be all blank. यहाँ पे अब कोई भी साइड नहीं आएगी क्योंकि in the next step we will remove this remaining side also. So here will be no side. यहाँ पे कोई भी साइड नहीं आएगी. Okay, so this will be the pattern of this figure. Okay, so this is the pattern. First we having complete box, then we have removed this one side, then we have removed this other side in an anti-clockwise direction. We are moving in an anti-clockwise direction. So in the next pattern we will remove this side also in an anti-clockwise way, and then the remaining side will be this, and in fourth in the fourth box we will remove all the sides and it will be blank. Okay, now in this figure we having matchsticks. How much matchsticks are here? 1 2 3 4 5. We having here 5 matchsticks in our first block. In the second block we having here 1 2 3 4 matchsticks. In the third block we are having 1 2 3 matchsticks. So here what the pattern we have observing, that the here what the pattern we have observing here, that the 1 sticks are going to be decreased. We are subtracting or we are decreasing the matchsticks in each block by 1. Correct. Here we are decreasing the matchsticks in each of the block by 1 means here we are having 5 matchsticks, then here we are having 4, then here we are having 3, then here we will have, on subtracting 3 by 1, on subtracting this 3 by 1, what we will get here? 2 matchsticks. Okay, so here we will get 2 matchsticks. Now again in this pattern, in the forward, what we will get? So by subtracting this 2, now by 1, what we will get here? 1 matchstick. So this will be our pattern. Okay, now fill the blank boxes using the approximate number. Okay, using the approximate number, what can we fill up in this? According to us, we can use any kind of pattern in this, but we need that the pattern should be follow up to the top and on the both the sides. So यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? लेट अस लुक. वी हैविंग हियर 1. हमें यहाँ क्या दे रखा है? 1 दे रखा है. एंड अपर साइड में हमें क्या दे रखा है? सेकंड. दिस इज एन अवर दिस इज एन अवर फर्स्ट रो, दिस इज एन अवर सेकंड रो एंड दिस इज एन अवर थर्ड. ओके, नाउ इन फर्स्ट रो वी हैविंग 1 ब्लैंक 3. सो हमें यहाँ पे सेकंड रो के अंदर 2 लेके आना है. क्या लेके आना? हमें यहाँ पे 2 वैल्यू लेके आनी है. सो कैसे लेके आ सकते हैं? या तो हम एक स्टेप फॉलो कर सकते हैं कि या हम 1 लिखते हैं तो 1 + 1 क्या होता है? 2 होता है. या फिर हम क्या कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे एक और मेथड यूज़ कर सकते हैं कि हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन का मेथड यूज़ कर सकते हैं कि यहाँ अगर मैं 2 लिखता हूँ तो 1 × 2 इट विल बी 1 2 × 2. सो आई विल यूजिंग द मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड. व्हाट आई एम यूजिंग? मल्टीप्लिकेशन method. Okay, so what will be our first step? That I will multiply this one with 2. I will put at here 2. अगर मैं यहाँ 2 पुट करता हूँ, so on multiplying this 1 and 2 I will get 2. So I will get this 2. Okay, now here if I multiplied here 1 and 2, so here also I will multiply 3 into 2. So what will I do? Here I will do that the 2 multiplied with 3. So we will get here 3 2 × 6. Okay, so we will write it here 6. Now again we are multiplying this 2 and 6 because we are using multiplication method. So we will multiply both these values. 2 6 × 12. It means 2 multiply with 6 we will get 2 6 × 12. So our pattern will be completed in this way. Okay. Now look at this figure. What the question is given to us, we need to find it out this value. हमें ये वाली वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है कि यहाँ पे क्या आएगा. what will be come at here on this question mark place. First observe the pattern. What the pattern is given to us. The pattern is given like this. If we go in an anti-clockwise or in clockwise, but we need to see the diagonally, the lines which are joining, the numbers which are joined to each other by using a line. We need to observe that pattern only. So here first if we are see this 2 multiplied with 2 means the number which is written at here, if it multiply by itself, the number which is written at here, if it multiplied by itself, then what we will get here? 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2 × 4. So we will get here 4. Correct. See here, if we multiply this 8 by itself, so if we multiplying 8 by 8, 8 8 is 64. What we will get? 8 8 is 64. So here is an 64. Okay, because here we are multiplying the number by itself, which is written at here. Okay, so 8 is multiplied by itself, we getting here 64. 8 8 is 64. Now here look at this 5 5 5 का 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पे क्या आएगा? The if we multiply this number by itself, then what we will get? 5 multiplied by 5, 5 5s are 25. So we are getting it here 5 5s are 25, correct? So this is the pattern. Now we need to find it out the value what will come at here. So if we multiply this 6 by the 6, then we will get here what the number we will get here. If we multiply this 6 by itself, then what we will get here? 6 multiplied by 6, then we will get 6 6 are 36, correct? So here we need to multiply this number which is written on this side by itself, then we will get the same, then we will get the square of this number. Means that if we multiply the 6 with 6 itself, okay, as we have done here, 2 is multiplied by 2 itself, so 2 2s are 4. As here 8 is multiplied by itself, we get 8 8s are 64. As here 6 is multiplied by 6 itself, then we will get here 36. What we will get here? 36. So 6 multiplied by 6, we will get here 36. So this is our answer, correct? So we need to find it out the pattern, what the pattern is going to here. So do all these questions in your notebook. Thank you.